Hello and welcome to Dad Got This, where we're into the tough questions like all of the questions you guys asked me about the Ninja Woodfire Grill, Part 2, and why don't ninjas watch sad movies? That one's easy, because they're too sensitive. Sensei, you get it. Do you get it? Another question that I've gotten is, do you need to spray your grill surface with any kind of non-stick spray when you're cooking?
Nope.
I have never had to spray any kind of non-stick spray on it, other than if I'm doing a recipe that, imparts some oils or things like that for the cooking or the marinating. Other than that, no. Ninja's non-stick surface on these is pretty fantastic. They work really, really well, whether you're using this flat top or their ribbed grate or anything else. It's really good. The food doesn't stick, you can flip it, you can do anything you want pretty much without anything on it. The next question is about cold smoking. Can you cold smoke on this unit? Some of you might not even know what cold smoking is. Cold smoking is where you apply smoke without extra heat. Mostly I associate cold smoke with things like cheeses. As far as the question of can you cold smoke on the Ninja Woodfire?
Sorta.
Depends on where you live, apparently. In America, yes you can. In other countries, I've been told they eliminated that feature for some reason. I don't know why. If you live in one of those countries and happen to know why they eliminated your ability to cold smoke, please let me know. But it's really simple. You're gonna turn your smoker on, you're gonna go to mode, smoke, and you're gonna take it on temperature, and you're just gonna keep going down past 145 Fahrenheit until it says CLD. And that's it. Now you can cold smoke. I actually haven't cold smoked on the unit before. I will be doing some cheese soon, so stay tuned for that video. Another question I seem to get where some people might be even having some issues with their unit is, how loud is the fan on your Ninja Woodfire Grill? Not that loud. Quiet. If it sounds really, really loud to you, you might have an issue. So let's do a really scientific test. Let's turn the unit on and use a dB meter app on my iPhone. That's super scientific, right? We'll do air crisp because that's gonna really get the fan going. I'm right next to the unit. Maybe 50 dB. For reference sake, when I start speaking, I get to like 88. That's just speaking. So it's pretty quiet. And as you can see, the fan is moving. So I would say if your fan is excessively loud to the point where it's annoying, then you might want to contact Ninja and see if you've got something wrong with your unit. Mine's pretty darn quiet. The birds and the fountain and everything outside are louder than the fan on the Ninja Woodfire. The next question is about what kind of extension cord you use to power your Ninja Woodfire Grill. Both the XL Pro Connect and the older unit are rated at 1760 watts. I believe I have that unit correct. But what it means is you want to get an extension cord that is rated for a higher wattage than 1760 watts. This one that I purchased from Amazon is rated for 1875 watts. I like it because it's a good length and it has the 3-prong thing at the bottom that lets me plug in my lights and a couple of other things that I'm using when I power my Ninja Woodfire Grill and film videos. Also, a good tip is to buy one that is the length that you need. Don't buy an excessively long extension cord if you don't need it. It's just better for transmitting power and everything from what I understand. I'm no electrician.
No. Really?
To have a shorter cord that is the exact size that you need it, instead of a bunch of extra length, because now you're trying to transmit that power over more wire and it can cause problems apparently. I will throw a link to the extension cord that I personally bought in the description below. There will be also some links for some other stuff in there. Anything you want, anytime I talk about something, usually I try to put a link in the description. If I forget, please remind me and leave a comment. The last question I get is, what Ninja would you recommend for the average person? As you can see, I have the Ninja Pro Connect XL. I have used the original OG Ninja that was smaller and did not have Pro Connect. I also have the Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Oven, which has some benefits over these, where it can go to 700 degrees. It has a pizza stone in it. It has a couple of other cast iron accessories if you like cooking on cast iron. So it does have its benefits. However, in my opinion, unless you really love and try to make the absolute perfect pizza, I would still recommend getting one of the regular Ninjas. I think they're just a little bit more versatile, and you can do some things in it that you can't do in the other one. Despite it not getting to 700 degrees, I can still roast things. I can still get a pretty good crust on things now that I've figured out my perfect searing method. If you want to know that method, go watch either of my latest steak videos, Chuck Steak or Optimus Prime Picanha. That's where I figured it out. So now that I can get fantastic sears on a steak in here, I even figured out that I can make pretty darn good pizza, about 95% as good as what I can make in the Ninja Woodfire oven. Then I just think that this has so much more versatility for people, a little bit more space in there cooking-wise, and I would recommend to get one of the regular Ninjas. The second thing I would 100% say is automatically go for the XL.
That's what she said.
Even if you think, we're a small family, we don't really need the XL, you need the XL. You need the extra space, you need the extra height that comes with it, because I have a future video coming out with some tips and tricks, and in that tips and tricks video, there's something that you need height for. So stay tuned. It doesn't honestly take up that much bigger of a footprint than the other one, so go for the XL. The difference between the regular and the XL is only about $100, so it's, in my opinion, really worth it. Plus, with the XL, you get the Pro Connect features, which allow you to monitor temps, change temps, do quite a bit of things. So I really do like the Pro Connect feature that's built into the unit. If you want to know more about how to use that and everything, go watch one of my startup guides or something like that. I go through it step by step and really show you how to use it. So after over 40 cooks and lots of time with the units, this is the unit that I would recommend for most people. The Ninja Woodfire XL Pro Connect. You can get it with or without the stand. You can find them on sale in all different places. So yeah, get the big boy.
That's what she said. That's what she said.
If you enjoyed this video, please do the likey, subscribe stuff. Leave a comment. I answer just about every comment in my comment section. And if you really want to support this channel, consider becoming a member. Members get 24-hour early access to all videos. They get shout outs in videos. They get producer credits at the end of videos. And if you become the top level member, you can even get a holiday card from me at the end of the year. Whatever holiday you celebrate, I'll send you a card. So I hope that answered some of your questions about the Ninja Woodfire and Ninja Woodfire grilling. If you have any more questions, please leave them in comments down below, and maybe I will make another video. That only leaves us one question to answer. Why do ninjas never get sick of jokes? Because they have a deadly sense of humor. That's right, Dad might tell bad jokes, answer your questions about Ninja Woodfire grills, but one thing Dad will never do is an outro. So that's it. Bye. Well, I hope that answered a couple more of your questions about the Ninja Woodfire grill. If you have more questions, let me know in the comments. I answer just about every comment in my comment section. And if I don't answer you, maybe I am saving that answer for a future video like this. If you enjoy this content, please do all the likey, subscribe stuff. YouTube loves it when you give things a thumbs up. Also, if you really want to support this channel, consider becoming a member. Members get 24-hour early access to videos. They get shout outs in videos. They get credits at the end of videos. And if you become a top tier level member, you can get a holiday card from me at the end of the year. Pretty cool, right? I think so. With all of those questions answered, there's only one question left to answer. What do you call a red-haired ninja? A ginger. Yeah, pretty bad, right?
This episode of Dad Got This was brought to you by our producers. Thank you very much.